Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Runaway Bay and we are looking at the Palm Beach Villas. Now this is a drone tour, so you're going to get a very nice view of the site and also the beach that the site is on. So this project now is on 21 acres and they are going to build 22 standalone villas. And the villas start at 1.85 million US. I mean, these are ultra luxury villas, so they're definitely high end. That's why the price is like that. So there you can see when they say standalone, they're not adjoined or anything, so you can get a very nice view of the site. The drone view is actually a very nice view. So there you can see the layout of the property, and then now we're coming up to the beach. Very nicely done. This is the kind of progress you like to see in Jamaica, and this is one of many developments going on the north coast. Alright, so we're just going to give you some information on this project. Oh, and the road that there you can see the road, that's the Northern Coastal Highway. So from Runaway Bay you can get to Ocho Rios probably in 15-20 minutes, and you can get to Montego Bay, the airport, in about an hour. And in Ocho Rios you find all the tourist attractions, so Runaway Bay is ideally located on the north coast. And the town is growing so much that they plan to build a bypass for Runaway Bay when they expand the highway to 4 lanes later on this year. Okay, the Palm Beach Villas is a new luxury living and vacation. Okay, let's start over. Welcome to Palm Beach, a new era of luxury living and vacationing in Runaway Bay, St. Anne, Jamaica. Developed by a team of renowned professionals, Palm Beach Villas offer an exclusive gated beach development on a stunning 21-acre property with a private white sand beach, 22 standalone homes, and a range of world-class amenities. Palm Beach promises to be nothing short of paradise. So the Palm Beach has 3 types of villas. Number 1 is the Lagoon Villa. Designed by Synergy Design Studio, the Lagoon Villa is one of the 22 standalone villas in the development. It features resort-style amenities including a beach club, spa, yoga deck, jogging trail, tennis courts, etc. The Ocean View Villa now, poised on an elevated plateau with stunning ocean views, the Ocean View Villa provides the ultimate luxury living experience. It comprises 5 bedrooms, staff quarters, a swimming pool, and a jacuzzi. The villa is just a short walk away from the beach. So those that we're looking at now are probably the Ocean View Villas. Oh no, those aren't, because the third set now is the beachfront villa, which is the ones we're looking at right by the beach. So as we back out the view, the ones behind, these are the beachfront. The next ones behind it would be the Ocean View and then the Lagoon Villa. So this is a beachfront villa now. This beautiful open plan villa offers casual excellence and is located just steps away from the private white sand beach. With 5 bedrooms, staff quarters, a swimming pool, a jacuzzi, the beachfront villa is perfect for a vacation getaway or intimate gathering by the sea. Okay, so there you can see those are the different kind of villas, and it seems as if they are all 5 bedroom. As you can see, the project is very advanced, so I'm assuming it's going to finish sometime next year, because it's we're in October now, Yeah, sometime next year they should be finished, but this is a very nice development, and this is perfect for an Airbnb rental. Alright guys, well, enjoy the rest of the tour and leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think of this development. And just from the view we are looking at, wow, what a beach. I did not know Runaway Bay had such a nice beach. I mean, I know there were a lot of hotels here, but this view is amazing. And for them to get 22 acres or 21 acres right on a beach, wow. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.